Hi friends, I'm Lily.
And I'm Leo.
We love singing, dancing, and having fun.
If you want to join our adventures, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Tap that button and never miss a song.
Let's go on more fun adventures together.
Let's dive and count.
Come along, it's time to dive. Lily and Leo are counting live. Down below where the sea friends play, we'll learn our numbers in a splashy way. Grab your mask and swim in tight. We'll spot some creatures left and right. From 1 to 10, we'll count them all in the ocean, big and blue and tall.
One orange fish with sparkly scales swishes its tail and tells great tales. Come along, it seems to say, let's go explore this reef today.
Fun fact, line 1 is the first. Let's start the show. Count with Lily as we go.
2 green turtles, smooth and round, glide through the sea without a sound. They wave to Leo as they pass through ribbons of seaweed and bright sea grass. 2 slow turtles side by side, counting with us on this ride. Three soft starfish in pink and blue twinkle like stars in water so true. They stick to rocks and spread their arms with underwater gentle charms.
3 starfish say hello to me,
Wiggling brightly, 1, 2, 3. 4 little seahorses twist and twirl, tails curled tight in a watery whirl. They hide in coral, shy and sweet, and peek at Lily with tiny feet.
4 seahorses sway with grace, dancing gently place to place.
5 wobbly jellyfish float through the light, glowing softly, oh what a sight. Their bodies pulse with a jelly glow, wiggling gently as they go. 5 jellies wave and gently shine, floating up in a glowing line.
6 shiny seashells lie in a row, each one with patterns that shimmer and show. Lily picks 1, then 2, then 3, all so special as you can see.
6 seashells sparkle on the sand, each one different, each so grand.
7 red crabs quick as can be,
Click clack claws for all to see. They scurry sideways by the reef, sneaking around like a crabby thief.
7 crabs go clickety clack, let's count their legs as they crawl back.
8 big bubbles rise up slow from a coral vent. Deep below they shimmer, sparkle, twist and spin, floating where the dolphins grin.
8 bubbles go bloop bloop bloop, floating softly in a loop.
9 zippy fish dart here and there, striped and spotted, fast through the air. Leo points and counts with glee, look at them swim past me. 9 bright fish zoom left and right, flashing colors, what a sight.
10 soft pearls in a giant shell, nestled safe in a glowing spell. The clam opens wide for all to see, a treasure of pearls by the coral tree. Final lines, shining bright and round,
A sparkling treasure we have found. Now we've counted